Math Day, great day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead channel, where we turn your math worry into mastery. I am teacher Juday K. Tagle, and together let us have fun while learning. So before we start, kindly settle down and prepare your notebooks. Today we will discuss a very important topic in mathematics which you often encounter in real life. An arithmetic sequence. So by the end of this lesson, you will understand what an arithmetic sequence is, how to identify it, and how it is applied in everyday situations. For our learning objectives, so at the end of the lesson, you are expected to first, define and illustrate an arithmetic sequence. Second, determine missing terms and identify the common difference. And lastly, appreciate the importance of arithmetic sequence in real-life situations. Keep these objectives in mind as we proceed with the lessons. But before that, let's have an engagement activity called Pictorial Pattern, where I will show you a pictures and tell your thoughts about it. Please look at the picture on the screen. What do you observe about the pictures? Yes, very good. The quantity of the box increased by the same amount of each time. How about this one? That's right. The dates in Sunday increase each week. And this kind of pattern is something we encounter often, and it will help us understand our lesson today. So, to activate your knowledge, let's proceed to our lesson. Now, let's have a pattern to something familiar. What are the dates that fall on Wednesday? That's right. The numbers represent the dates that fall on Wednesday in my month is 1, 8, 15, 22, and 29. From this sequence, can you determine if it is an arithmetic sequence? That's right. Now, let's tackle more about this. So again, arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which term after the first is formed by adding the fixed number to the preceding term is called arithmetic sequence. The fixed number is known as the common difference, which is denoted by D. So from our example, notice that each day increases by 7 days. This regular increase forms a special number pattern which is called the common difference. That's right. So, arithmetic sequence can also be seen in real-life situations. For example, the fare of modernized PUJ starts at 11 pesos and increases by 1.50 pesos for every additional kilometer. What happens to the fare as the distance increases? So the fare increases. By how much does the fare increase for every kilometer? By 1.50 pesos. Is the increase the same every time? Yes, the increase is constant. Very good. Since the fare increases by the fixed amount, this situation follows an arithmetic sequence. What do we call the fixed amount that is added each time in arithmetic sequence? The common difference. Excellent. This shows that arithmetic sequence helps us understand patterns and solve real-life problems involving constant change, since we only have a first term and the common difference for us to get In the remaining term, we just need to add the previous term to the common difference to get the next term. So to get the second term, we just need to add the first term to the common difference, and we have now 12.5 pesos. Also, to get the second and third term, we just need to add the common difference to their previous term. Very good. We have now a sequence which is 11, 12.5, 14, and 15.5. How about now? How to get the next three terms? We have a sequence or arithmetic sequence. And to get the next three term, we just need to add again the common difference to their previous term. Since we have a common difference and four terms, now we just need to get the 5, 6, 7 terms. Now we have 5th, 6th, and 7 terms. So the fare in every kilometer is 11, 12.5, 14, 15.5, 17, and 18.5, and 20. Before we end our lesson, I want you to answer this activity to check your understanding of arithmetic sequence. You can check the answer by the end of the lessons. Math Day, great day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead channel, where we turn your math worry into mastery.